You go to a speaking engagement, and after the gig, people come up to you, and some say that they could not hear you clearly. What's going on? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Chances are that the reason why some people couldn't hear you is because you were not projecting to the back of the room. And it is an important skill to learn. You must remember that you are speaking to people of all ages and all levels of hearing. And because of this, projecting to the back of the room adds value to your message and everyone can hear you. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal. Break those barriers. Step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time.